Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a juice. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this green juice using just a few simple ingredients. One of the things about this green juice that you're going to want to do first is to pick your base, and your base is going to consist of one whole cucumber or 4 to 5 stalks of celery. As I'm washing off my fruit and getting it ready to be juiced, step number 2 would be to pick out 1 or 2 leafy greens, which could be half a head of romaine lettuce, 2 to 3 cups of spinach, 2 to 3 cups of kale, half a head of green leaf lettuce, or 2 to 3 cups of watercress. Step number 3 is that you're going to pick 1 fruit to sweeten it, so you could use 1 medium apple, 1 medium grapefruit, 2 to 3 cups of pineapple, 1 medium orange, 2 to 3 cups of grapes. Step number 4 is where you're going to add your flavoring into detox, which is optional for the green juice. So for step 4, you can either use 1 whole lemon, a handful of parsley, 1 knuckle of ginger, or a handful of cilantro. So I washed off all my fruit, prepared that, and got that ready. I'm just cutting off literally the bottom of the celery to get that ready. Everything else can either be thrown in, as far as the half a head of green leaf lettuce, which I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the 4 to 5 stalks of celery. I also chose to use the 1 medium apple, which I got the green apple. And I chose to use the whole lemon for my flavoring and to detox. I normally would love to try the ginger, but when they say 1 knuckle of ginger, I do feel like that's just too much for me because I don't like that taste in the back of my throat from ginger. So once you get these washed and prepped and ready for the juicer, you'll just go ahead and place them in your blender and enjoy. One tip I will say is if you use the half a head of green leaf lettuce like I did, be sure to cut it up into sections, because it surely did get stuck in my blender, and you all will see that as this video goes along. So the health benefits of the green juice is just that it requires hardly any digestion. So all of its nutrients get rapid into your system, while simultaneously giving your digestive system a rest. So it's power packed with easy to absorb nutrients, full of chlorophyll, which can help oxygenate your body. It can improve your focus and mental clarity. It also can reduce the whole body inflammation, healthier and shinier skin, hair and nails, stronger immune function, better energy and digestive health, and it also helps to improve fat burning and weight loss. So with this juice, that was basically all of the half a head of the green leaf lettuce right here. I went ahead and added in the apple and the lemon and the celery, and everything else was good to go. The celery went in with no problem and broke down, the lemon of course, and the apple. So this is just a great juice that, can give you a stronger immune system, which everybody needs now. It can also help to lose weight and other things like that. And it also just keeps you looking younger, keeps your hair healthy, gives you more energy in the mornings. And it's just something that everyone should try. There's so many different juices out here that everyone could benefit from, but a green juice is good for you on so many levels. The apples contain antioxidants that are going to help to reduce certain risk of cancers. The lemon is packed with vitamin C. It builds immunity and boosts metabolism. And if you chose to use ginger, it just gives a natural digestive, which reduces inflammation, builds immunity, and that's everything that you need to hear. I thought that I would be able to make 4 juices. I was only able to make 2, and that is a-okay. As this tells you right here, that if you want to make more than just 2, you'll need to double up on the recipe that it calls for. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and also I hope that you all consider subscribing to my channel and comment down below what other type of juices you would like to see me do, because I'm learning more and more with the juicer lately. Thank you all so much for watching. Enjoy your evening.